Google just took out a page out of OnePlus's marketing book and spilled the beans on their much anticipated phones, the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Many tech reviewers were able to get their hands on the Pixel 6 series and share info about the phones with their audience. Now, Google's Twitter account also tweeted a number of features and details about the upcoming phones. Now, before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you end up liking this video. Let's start with the specifications. Now, the smaller phone is expected to feature a 6.4-inch flat Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate, while the larger sibling has a 6.7-inch Quad HD curved display with 120Hz refresh rate. The side railing of the Pixel 6 is matte finish, and so is the camera bar on the back, but on the Pixel 6 Pro, the side railing and the camera bar are both glossy. Now, the coral color we saw in the leaks earlier is only exclusive to the Pixel 6, which is kind of a bummer. Now, it is also coming in two more colors, black and a mint green type variant. The Pixel 6 Pro is coming in three colors as well, black, white, and an exciting golden color. Now, both phones are going to feature an under-display fingerprint scanner, a first for Google Pixel phones. As expected, both phones are going to launch with Android 12 along with its Material You redesign. The phones will also feature brand new camera sensors, which has been a long time coming for the Pixel series. The Pixel 6 is going to share the main and ultra-wide lens with the 6 Pro, while the 6 Pro will get an additional 4x telephoto lens as well. Both these phones are going to pack in Google's own custom SoC, which is being called Google Tensor chip. Now, this chip will allow Google to do much more than they previously could with the Pixel line. The very first thing is better photo and video processing. Google's Pixel line has always been average at video, but with the Pixel 6 series, Google is implementing their image processing prowess to the video as well. This will enable the Pixel 6 series to take much better videos than Pixel phones previously could. Now, reviewers were shown cherry-picked videos recorded with the Pixel 6, and so far it looks like Google has a winner on its hands. Other than that, Google will be able to do much more AI computational processing on these phones, making Google Assistant even smarter. Another benefit of using their own silicon instead of Snapdragon is in the software department. At first, Google was limited with only 3 years of software support due to Snapdragon chips, but with their Tensor chip, Google is expected to support 5 years of software updates for the Pixel 6, which is going to be a game changer. Google could also use this chip in its other products to develop an ecosystem just like Apple. All these upgrades could mean that the phones are going to be pretty expensive, but maybe Google has a trick up its sleeve. All that's left to be known about the phones are the battery capacity, the prices, and a few more details. That said, I haven't been excited for a Pixel launch in a long time. Now, I can't wait for October to be here. As always, thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.